once they're gone, they kind of become collector's items. Yeah. You know?
They always go fast.
They do.
Like the bee pins really fly out. They
colliding puns.
Look at us go. How sharp we are at 1 a.m. So if you were wondering about Blair's top, here it is. This is the stretch cotton poplin shirt with the sleeve seam detail. New today, I told you there's 3 new items. This is the second one we're seeing from this hour. $64 is your price. $12.80 gets it home using any major credit card, debit card, that Q card. Ships for free, A681-240. Double extra small to 3X. You're seeing that vibrant blue right there.
This. Oh, the silhouette is just so fabulous.
Well, I know we both love like a button down.
Yes.
And every time I see a popped collar, it's you. It is you.
I could not be more honored.
It's true. I love it. I love the popped collar look.
I do too.
This is your green.
Isn't that?
Which is like a lime green.
That's exactly what I would say too.
Right?
And in fact, even the buttons are like they look like little pieces of candy, little hard candies.
And then red.
The red. This is giving me seersucker vibes.
Yes.
But it's not. Seersucker typically has a texture. This is giving sort of that vibe, but it's, I think, 96% cotton, 4% spandex.
So close.
97?
95.
5. So a great sort of comfortable, but definitely a roomy fit, because look at this. It's got a dolman sleeve, sort of inset, and it gives you sort of like a puffy sleeve without being like too crazy. We even took on the cuff there, taking that pinstripe, turning it on its side. Great poppable collar. So in terms of fit, we typically want this to fit like at the shoulder seam, but not on this one. There isn't, this shoulder seam is a little bit inset. So this is gonna fit beautifully, stick with your regular size. It's also not super long. So for our petite ladies, this will be right in your wheelhouse. 3 great colorways. They're just so fresh. They have me looking forward to like white jeans. We do have a wide leg white jean coming out in the next couple of weeks because we're sort of springing forward in the fashion world. So this will be a piece that you will absolutely love. It's got an artsy look to it.
It does have an artsy look, and I brought over some of the pants that we just talked about. So how about this? Okay.
Oh,
now I know you're like, Melissa, are you okay? Like
No.
mixing stripes and floral, but yes, this is very much
what would Lori Goldstein say? Everything goes with anything. Anything goes with everything.
Right?
It's all good.
Talk about artsy. Like this with the hoops.
A little unexpected.
Hoops?
Yes, our knife edge, beautiful hoops. Oh, I forgot to put earrings on. Oh no.
It's okay, it happens.
Avert.
It happens, right? Avert your eyes,
Yes,
don't look.
Don't look at my ears, they're naked.
Look, I mean, again, like endless, you have...
Ooh, those are the Bengaline pants.
Look at this.
And that beautiful olive. Oh, that is a fabulous combination.
Okay.
Of course, I love what we're seeing on Blair there, that sort of pop of color, but then a really sort of understated pinstripe, the bee pin, the fabulous fit. I love the sleeve on this. It's just so unique.
Blair is 5'7", wearing the extra small. She has it like a semi-tuck happening.
Yep, a little half tuck. I love it.
I just threw this on. I've never put this on before. I don't even know what it looks like. But
immediately.
Okay.
It's giving me Paris vibes, especially the great red and white pinstripe with that Joan red, a little red shoe. Just fantastic.
I am feeling this right now.
Yes, as you should.
I am absolutely feeling this. Listen, I love a button-up shirt. Like, I have a whole wall of them because they're just easy. Again, wear it on top of maybe the one of your essential tops. Put a sweater over it. If you get this now and you have like a chunky sweater, could be really cute too, or put it under a cardigan. So this is definitely a buy now, wear now. Even though the colors are a little, like this green is a little bit punchy. But really anything goes these days. You know, it's all about how you accessorize it, or maybe put it with a black pant and ground it in this time, and then maybe you go for that bolder
I love
pant
the
option
blue
later
with the
on.
black as well. I think that's a
Ooh,
really nice combination. This is less boyfriend shirt. It's definitely a little bit of a girlfriend shirt because of that really unique dolman sleeve in a sort of, you know, Oxford style shirt. A great, great sort of update. We're always looking for new ways to take classic silhouettes. You know the fabric is great, machine wash, tumble dry low, but think of all the different ways that you can style this pretty much year round.
Yeah, I'm taking the belt off because I'm going to put it over. Because you know I'm going to belt.
Let's see it.
I like to belt everything.
I'm like,
I know we have to wrap, but
oh my goodness, you are so cute.
Thank you. If I could ever get the, but like here.
And now you're creating like a little.
And now we
look.
have a whole look.
And it doesn't interfere with the dolman sleeve.
Here, there we go. Okay, it's hard to get dressed in real life.
I love it.
But see, you could just like really make it your own. And I'm actually sized up here. This is a small. I usually wear an extra small. I like that it's a little bit like looser and,
I think we're
cooler.
going up to 5X in this, if I'm not mistaken.
I see 3X. Can we confirm that? 3X. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
But still, double extra small to 3X, a 681-240. Brand new today, $64 is your price, $12.80. And if you want the whole outfit that Blair is wearing, under $40 on Easy Pay. So you really can't beat that when you think of a really sophisticated top like this and the pant. Now, in case you missed it, we started our show with these wardrobe builders